hold.
Tell him, ask him if we can. Oh, he just straight up.
Yeah, yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Attan kuladı. Burak'tan.
How many time you stay in Kazakhstan?
Just
You sit in horse. You sit?
Burak. Yeah, I fell off Burak.
Okay. Okay.
My back.
You need to try. This is horse for warriors. You know. It's not just like.
Çınar.
For fun.
This is second yellow horse. Yellow.
Yeah, Chinar.
This is best.
No,
Best one. Like a warrior. You know?
Inshallah, I'll work up to be there. I'm not there yet.
Yeah.
I have to
You
train.
stay how many time? How much days in stay?
الآن في جبال الكازاخستان ما شاء الله. كيف رأيكم؟ ما رأيك عن هذا المكان؟ جيد.
كل شيء جميل.
جميل.
الجو جميل.
ما شاء الله.
ما شاء الله.
جو.
أصدقائي.
ما أجمل الجبال هذا المكان. الحمد لله. الطبيعة. مكان طبيعي.
مع الحصان. كل شيء ما شاء الله. أمام
ما رأيك كيف هذا المكان؟
جميل.
جميل.
جميل. أحب شيء طبيعي.
ما شاء الله.
الحياة كده كويس.
كيف أخي جورد؟
ما شاء الله. هو قوي جدا.
هو قوي وهو رجل مشهور.
ما شاء الله. نعم.
نعم.
مشهور. مع الرئيس في البلاد. نعم. سبحان الله.
نعم.
Wasn't shocked in Kazakhstan.
He's telling like you are shocking maybe from Kazakhstan.
Kazakhstan. Yeah, I didn't expect any. I told you.
What's the place?
When I came, I didn't expect. I expected like this a lot more.
Yeah.
And I saw the city and the people in the
MashaAllah.
village. MashaAllah. It was beautiful.
MashaAllah.
It was beautiful. You hear stories, but nobody sees things like this, you know?
Like real.
Yeah.
MashaAllah. Alhamdulillah.
You're surrounded by wild horses. They're just. Subhanallah.
Yeah, this is wild. This is wild. Wild horse.